Welcome back to our, oh god, I'm so bad at this, maybe 14th C# tutorial. Now, we're basically going to get rid of all of this stuff except this first line here. Now, instead of what we've got, I'm going to say that B is equal to 10, and we're dealing with conditional operators in this video. So we're going to start with the AND conditional operator, which is double ampersand, I believe the word is. Sorry, but and A is equal to 3. Now I want to copy this because we're going to use it quite a bit. 3 and 4. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start changing certain little things in these equations, and we're going to see with the results. Now, what we've done is we're taking a look at this. We're going to take a look at the whole line. It says console write line. Now it's going to write a line, and it's going to write a line saying something that B is equal to 10 and A is equal to 3. Now, the thing that we can the thing we can gather from this, sorry, I'm trying to say deduce from this, is that it's going to return a Boolean answer. So what, and in fact if you hover over the double ampersand sign, we can actually tell that it's calling a Boolean. So it's going to be true or false. Now, and then we go down one and we say B is equal to 10, which is true, and 1 is equal to 3. Now that's false. So we'll see what happens in a moment, but 1 is equal to 10. Now that's false. We know that for sure. And A is equal to 3, which is true. And now the bottom line, we've got 1 is equal to 10, which again is false, and 1 is equal to 3, which is false. So when we run this as a program, what we'll see is we'll see true, false, false, false. Because in Java, well, in C#, as in Java and in all computer languages, essentially what we've done here is we've created a bit of a truth table where if one value is true, or if the value on the left hand side is true, for an AND to work, the value on the right hand side needs to be true. And what we can tell here is that even though this is true, this is not true. So even though this is true, so this over here is true. The answer is true. And then we go down one. The first one's true, the second one's false, so it's false. And then it's all false because there's one false. And that's how at the end conditional operator works. Everything that's included has to be considered true. Now, I'm not talking about complex equations where you can have an AND here and then an OR somewhere along the line down over here. I'm talking about just a simple two-parter where we've got one equation that's true, one that's true. It always is true, but if we've got any one that's false out of those, it's got to be a false answer. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do basically all this again. Actually, I'll keep that and we'll get rid of this. And I'm just going to change it to a different conditional operator. And this operator is called OR. So what it's saying is that the value, if the left-hand side value, B is equal to 10 is true, or A is equal to 3 is true. Now, so we can tell by both of these are true, so it's true. Well, true. And down one line we've got b is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10, which is true, or 1 is equal to 3. Now 1 equals 3 is false, but because it's an or, as long as b is equal to 10, that's true. And if we go down the line, we've got 1 is equal to 10, which is false, but a is equal to 3, so we've got another true. Now, when it gets down to the bottom one, both of them are false, so the answer is false. Now, if we can run through this, and we can see true, 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 false. So everything that we were expecting has come true. Now, if there's any issues with this, send me a message asking me about it. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.